Okay, ready?
I'm ready.
Go get it. No! Ready, Lena? Put it down. What? Did you turn your button off? Yeah, you turned yours off. Okay, ready? Go get it, Lena. You got him. Tay got him too. Okay, put it down. No, turn it back on, Landon. Turn it on. There you go. And now sit it down. Ready? You got it, Ty?
I got it.
It's hard on the carpet, huh? Let go, Ty, let go. Ty, let go of them. Ty, let go of your car. Lena, wait to turn it off. Ty, let go of him and he'll drive.
No, Ty was drive the car. I want to drive the car.
Okay, you drive the car. That's Landon's car. Poor car. Woo!
Where'd my car go?
I think it got stuck under the table.
Oh.
Okay, Landon, put yours down and use your remote. Okay, put your car down and then press the buttons on your remote. Yay! Good job. It crashed.
Uh-oh.
He got stuck?
Yeah.
Okay. Now go. Woo! He crashed? Go to the horse, not rock and roll. Okay, tell him to go, Ty.